Good morning, this is the YellowJacket expert on a soupy day here in July 17th, 2024. I'm in Durham. I just want to show something very quickly, give people a little perspective that sometimes the nest is not right where the hole is. Sometimes it's a little further along. So let me show you. I was able to dig this one up, but I'll give you an understanding of what's going on with this nest and how far away the nest is from the hole. Let me turn this around. So the hole of this eastern YellowJacket nest is right by where my boot is. They're coming and going from right here near the end, but the nest is way over there. Can you see it in there? It's that. Let me see if I can show this a little bit better. It's down in there. Yeah, it's that little spot right there. That's where the nest is. So that's a good 3 feet away from the hole. So the YellowJackets are coming and going down here at this end, but their nest is way down there, and people think that they can spray or put a hose down it, and the nest is way far away, so they can definitely get away. So I'm going to get this going again. If you have YellowJackets, call the YellowJacket expert, 379-6078, 860-379-6078, or www.theyellowjacketexpert.com.